Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is Batman. Do you have Hoyt Puck remote? If you do, you must do this. Remote have problem. Problem is potentiometer. Potentiometer. Don't worry. I will show you. I will show you how to fix problem. You need tools. You need epoxy. You need to listen to me. First step. Remove this. Like this. Now take shoes out. Open case. Put on the side. Pop and not good dealer.
It's okay. We will put it back.
Whoa.
Okay, so.
That it will solve the problem.
Thank you, Mila. So the problem is, guys, it's easier for me to explain. So potentiometer, you see the contacts on the potentiometer, the one on one side here, and also 3 connectors right here. They do come loose, especially on the older versions of the Hoyt Pucks. So what happens is, from vibration, the soldering comes apart, and well, the board just goes full speed without you knowing it. Well, actually no, you will know it. It's just gonna go bang. We don't want you to do that. I don't want my remote to do that. So what we need to do is secure the potentiometer connectors to the actual motherboard. Now I'm going to give it back to my beautiful assistant, and she will tell you how to do this.
You can fix the problem with hot glue or epoxy. I will use epoxy.
So the fix is, guys, using 2-component epoxy, and you will have a nice thin layer of epoxy over the soldering joint right here and right there, all the way around, to secure the potentiometer back. So from all the vibrations and any stress you put in on the throttle while riding around or dropping the remote, well, you reduce the chances of that coming loose and your board flying away.
After you put the epoxy, close your remote, put screws back, go lighting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, build and ride safely. Bye.